Hey, wanted to show something I've been kind of working on and tinkering with. And the two things you see on the screen are things I've written recently. One, it was kind of a play, and it's the game that's on the left. And then the right is the beginnings of a client or, I guess, viewer for a logic analyzer that I want to work on, or actually have been working on. And they have something in common. They're both written in Lua, and they're both using a game library. They're using the Lua Love2d game library. And I figured that the logic analyzer would work well with the frame updating that you have for games and stuff. And so I wrote this game rainy weekend of about a month or so ago. I guess it's about a month ago now, and just to kind of get familiar with it. So nothing major or earth shattering. So but it's got sound. I got it turned off though, but you can see that works well. I mean, everything's done through frames, like in a game, So got lots of action going on the screen and different things and environmentals like the clouds and stuff like that, and the bullets and the enemy. The enemy do fire, but there's nothing to the game itself. Other than that, it was just more to get familiar with that and to figure out how to use the library and stuff. And it's really easy to use, and I like it. The Lua itself is not bad. There's some isms about it, but for the most part, it's okay. It's really fast, and too fast for me, I guess. Who wrote this game anyway? But anyway, let's pause it here. And let's go to this guy here. And this is just an well, it's a working kind of mock-up, but it's a mock-up. I need to work on the colors and stuff. So what you do is you would connect and to these. Well, let me start here. These are buttons. You don't have buttons in Lua, the game library itself, but you can create them pretty easily with code, and that's what I've done here. So I can, each one of these would do certain things. The exit, of course, would exit. But start, that would be where I'd send the start command to the microcontroller analyzer, and then stop, and that would send the data back. So I'm simulating some data here, and this is actual data that you would have gotten back, and it plots it out. So just something to play with and see if I could get to work. I think it's going to work. There are some things that I'm gonna have to overcome. The serial port support in Lua is kind of really not good. I'm just really finding out about that. But there are things that I like about it a lot more than I do things like with Python and stuff. It's one reason it's just faster. It's really easy to embed too, and so something to play around with, and I'll kind of keep you posted on it and see how it goes as progress moves forward. Anyway, thanks a lot.